Hey world, I'm Fast Cube. So today in this video I will be asking for your help, and that help is to help me with the cross. The cross takes me about 10 to 15 seconds. I hate it seriously. That makes me go slow every single time. So if anyone knows some strategies, any tricks that they do to prevent them moving slow for the cross, please help me. And yeah guys, before I was like up to 6 to 7 seconds, but when I stopped cubing for about 1 month and then when I came back to it, it got like 10 to 15 seconds in between that. So yeah guys, if you have any questions, or just comment me and tell me what you guys think, what to do. That was my short help video. Hope you guys liked it. I'm Fast Cube 007. Bye.